back with the Icebear. Alright, so you may have a little bit of difficulties hearing me because I still have the normal door on the GoPro, not one of the skeleton doors, which I already ordered. But since we got the CDI installed, we got the NGK-CR7 HSA plug-in, aftermarket ignition coil. We're going to go ahead, since I've never actually physically taken you on a ride with this thing, we're going to go on a ride for it today. So please excuse me if the sound of my voice is a little muffled out, but we'll go ahead, take it for a little drive, that way you guys can see what's going on up here, if you can see the speed in miles per hour and so on. But yeah, let's go ahead, take a little quick ride and see what's going on. So far, it's not really that bad. It's really not, but we'll see how it happens. I'll go up this road up here so I can maybe try to get some downhill speed, see what we can actually pull off. Honestly, guys, with the new CDI in place, I don't know if you guys can see the speedometer or not. I mean, overall, it seems pretty much a little, it seems a little bit more spunky behind it, but overall, it seems pretty much the same. We'll find out going back down this way. I'll try to tuck it in a little bit so you can actually see the gauges and see what it all says. If not, I'm sorry. You know, like I said, hopefully the wind's not too bad, because if you look at that tree over there, the wind's pretty rough today. But we'll basically just go ahead, try to see what's going on. Just want to take you guys for a quick run with me. This is the first time I've drove it since the CDI installed, so let's see what happens. ahead and go. We'll go to the right. Try to get some speed real speedometer was saying 60, I think maybe 61 for a second. How true that is, I'm not sure. Honestly, I'd have to take you on a longer stretch. That's not bad for such a short stretch that we're running on. But whether that's actually true or not, who knows? Honestly, I've heard these things are off by a little bit. That was the top though. But overall though, it does seem like it does want to take off a little bit better. So hopefully maybe it will. It got up to 62, I think. So I'm not sure how off it actually is, but I guess we're gonna find out. In the future, I'm just gonna get a GPS or a Garmin or something to go off of that. Plus, I really need to get that skeleton board because you guys probably can't hear me at all. But overall, I think what we can come from this, the CDI may be changed a little bit about the functions, maybe a little bit, but overall, I don't really see a big increase in power or anything like that. But I mean, maybe it's one of those like supporting mod type deals where you kind of, you know, if you get that, you add it with like an air filter, an exhaust, or do whatever you need to do with it. It might actually make a bigger gain versus, you know, just stock with pretty much stock. All it is an ignition coil and a CDI. That's all that I've done to it. So, but I think that's gonna do it all for this video, guys, with the Icebear Maddog. Stay tuned. I have been looking at wheels to go from this wheel to the 12x8, but I'm still hit or miss on whether I want to do that or not. But thought I'd take you guys with a ride along with me, so you guys can actually get a chance to, you know, come with me on one of these rides. Hopefully when I get the skeleton door, you'll be able to hear me better. Maybe the wind won't affect it as much. Who knows? But that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and you liked watching me ride around on the Maddog. But until next time, guys, like always, if you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments. I'll go ahead and answer them if I can. If it's something crazy, I'm not gonna answer. Don't even try it. But like if it's something wild, like just no. Like always though, go ahead, if you like what you see, subscribe to the channel down below. Also, if you can share it on Facebook, go ahead. I've been dropping it in my Snap story, our story, trying to get it out there a little bit. Channel's growing slowly, but really trying to get that number jump up so I can really start doing this. That car's not going to be here much longer, so there's going to be a car built on the way as well. And of course, maybe a winter beater, or a budget build if you want to call it that. But go ahead, stay tuned to the channel, subscribe to the channel. That's definitely most important, hands down. Hopefully you liked it. That's probably the first important, honestly. I hope you actually like what I'm putting out there. Go ahead and tell your friends about it. Go ahead and see what they think. If you have anything in the videos that you'd like to see or think it might be interesting, maybe on that or on that, go ahead and let me know. Alright? Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.